Hey guys, it's me. I'll be back with another video, and today it's currently Friday, the best day of the whole entire week. And guys, I want to thank all of y'all for 30 subscribers. I never thought I'd get to 30 subscribers, but we did. So yeah, first whenever I started, it was at 3 in 3 months. 3 subscribers in 3 months. But now, after 5 months, we made it to 30 subscribers, which that is a record because usually whenever you first start, you have to earn them in 3 weeks. You have to get 6 subscribers in 3 weeks. 3 months. So that's really good. But at least I got 6 subscribers in 3 months. So I just want to thank you for that. And look what I found out yesterday. I could zoom. I never thought I could zoom, but I can. I'm sorry, I'm looking in this mirror, so if I'm like this, I'm looking to make sure I'm in the camera. Well, today I'm showing you guys my slime station. It's not going to be a slime room because the rest of my room is a regular room. That's a big pile of dirty clothes I need to wash. So yeah, let's just get into this video. So first in here, I have this bottle with the empty bottle of glue. And then I need to wash this bowl because there's dried up slime. And then I have this collection of slime down here. Sorry, my baby sister is being annoying and making so much noise. And yeah, I have a lot of slime in here. This one's jiggly slime. So yeah, that's that. Then in this purple bucket I have a whole bunch of glitter shakers and clear glue thingies. So yeah. And then over here, it's not focused. Over here I have a whole box of borax, and I'm using this light right now. I have a whole box of borax, but I haven't opened it because I've been using this borax that's in this bag. I have food coloring. I have straws in case I want to make crunchy slime out of straws. And I have 3 bottles of shaving cream, but these 2 are empty. And this one is a shaving cream that my grandma gave me. That was my grandpa's. And I have these bottles that are for my borax. I use this one for my borax. And then I have Nivea body lotion to make my slime with lotion. And then I have shaving gel, which I need to put back. And then I have Juicy Grapefruit foaming hand soap. And then I have this rag, which I'm not using for slime because my mom would literally kill me. Then I have some Tide. And I have a whole bottle again. And then over here I have this slime that I made a long time ago whenever I first started making slime. So I'm going to take it out real quick and show you. Okay, here is, this one is made out of Tide or Gain. I think it was Tide. So yeah. And then I have this slime from Target that I haven't opened. And then I have this pineapple that I opened that I didn't want to open, but he still opened it. I have 2 bottles of water for jiggly slime or if a slime is hard. So yeah. And then, sorry if y'all hear my door keep on opening because this one won't stay in my room. And she's just yelling at my sister to be quiet. And then I have this slime from Target that I haven't opened in 2 mixing bowls. Then I have 10 bottles of Elmer's glue right here. And then I have a gallon of glue. And then in here is my tripod for my slime, but I don't even use no more. And then this is all, this top drawer is all of my containers that I use for these blue containers. The second one is like bagged slime. I have another bagged slime over there. And then in here are all my big slime. Oh, this big one, this big one. So third drawer is like my extra big ones. And then my small ones. So like the big ones go right here, and all the small ones go right here, and all of the small ones get in these small containers. So yeah, and if y'all didn't know, I have 70 slimes in total. All of my slime. And comment below how many slimes you have. And then the other big one is all my squishies. Like homemade ones. They're like okay. Then the bottom drawer is like my cornstarch. And then my big containers. Then I like to say my empty bottles glue. I don't know why. I just have a lot of those. And another one. I have a dirty container, which I need to clean. Then in here are some beads that I don't want to spill. I have a lot of candles down here. Candle slime. And yeah, I just have all of that down here. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below what video you want me to do next and how many slimes you have in total. I have 70 and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make more with that gallon glue. So yeah, subscribe because I want to get to 40 subscribers by maybe the end of June or July. So let's try to get to 40 subscribers by the end of June or July. So yeah, bye guys. Peace. Bye guys. What is this? Peace, Abby. Bye guys. What is this? Peace, Abby Gang. Ew, who's she? Abby Gang. You don't say that.